Hi, we are going to learn about PowerPoint 2010. In this, I'll be showing you these slides about what is it, what are the uses, and what all things are you going to learn in PowerPoint 2010. We'll start with it. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives you everything you need to produce a professional looking presentation. PowerPoint offers word processing, outlining, drawing, graphing, and presentation management tools, all designed to be easy to use and learn. Also, in PowerPoint presentations, you can use some of the graphical approach to the presentations, like in the form of slideshows that accompany the oral delivery of the topic. This program is widely used in business and classrooms and is an effective tool when used for training purposes. So PowerPoint is actually one of the simplest form of programs to learn. So it is the number one program used worldwide for presentations. Anyone can create a very stunning presentation in PowerPoint. So it will look like it is very professionally designed, but it is very simple to use PowerPoint for presentations. You can also create albums and videos, and you can also put in music narrations. You can distribute the presentation in the form of DVDs, CDs, pen drives, or handouts. So it is a very useful tool. Then you can also include very like an illustrations like charts, graphs. Then you can make your presentation into web page for emailing purposes or as promotion display on the company's website. It is easy to customize presentation with your company logo to dazzle your audience by using one of many design templates that come with the program. So there are many more add-ins in the presentation, and there are templates available online from the Microsoft and host of other websites. In addition to an on-screen slideshow, PowerPoint has printing options. There are n number of printing options which we'll be learning in the chapters to come. You can provide handouts, outlines, notes page to the audience. So in all, PowerPoint is a one-stop shop to create successful presentations for the business world, and in fact for the students too. So next we'll see what are the uses of the PowerPoint. When you create, actually, this is the before the uses. I'll just give you a gist what it consists of. When you create a presentation using PowerPoint, the presentation is made up of series of slides. The slides that you create using PowerPoint can also be presented as overhead transparency or 35 slides. In addition to slides, you can print audience handouts, outlines, and speaker notes. You can format all the slides in a presentation using the powerful slide master, which will be covered in the tutorial. You can keep your entire presentation in a single file, all your slides, speaker notes, and audience handouts. You can import what you have created in other Microsoft products such as Word and Excel into any of your slides. Then next is some of the uses of PowerPoint. First is the presentation. You can use PowerPoint to enhance presentation. It allows you to draw diagrams and using the library, like a shapes library. There are a number of shapes from which you can draw diagrams or anything for good presentation. You can include graphs like pie chart, bar graph, line graph from data, or you can also make it in the PowerPoint itself. Then you can also use clip art audio files which are already there in your PowerPoint, or you can also import them from if you have some other audio file which you want to include in your presentation. PowerPoint can also be used to make animated slides. You can share your presentation via a projector or over the internet. Next uses tutorials. PowerPoint can be used to make tutorials and worksheets for educational or training context. Instead of slides, these can be printed onto paper. So you can a tutorial on a piece of paper or software could be could use screenshots of various menus combined with text and graphics. You can teach through PowerPoint right now I am doing. These are the slides which I have made to show you in which I have included the basic what is PowerPoint and its uses, and we are also going to see what all things we are going to learn in this. Then next is games. You can create wonderful games, especially for young learners. For quiz game, a presentation could be a set of question slides followed by the answer. You can like a whiteboard can be used as the projection screen, allowing the teacher to draw or write on a virtual game board. Now you can also you can also set the timings of the animations which you have given to your presentation. You can rehearse the timings. You can then set it accordingly to each of the slide so that the game runs automatically. You don't need to do anything in that. Then next is animation. Animation needn't be confined to presentation. You can use PowerPoint to make animation that are interesting in their own right. Then PowerPoint animation features allows you to make individual elements, then move your screen in a variety of different ways. You can import like you can create your own drawings and or you can animate elements from the clip art. Then you can also add sounds and music to your animation. The next is posters. uh, you can make notices posters that can be created in PowerPoint very easily. You can use the clip art already inbuilt, or the custom graphics can be used to illustrate that whichever topic you are like building a poster. Then you can use diagrams to indicate procedures or anything which you want to include in your poster. Then also you can put graphs and charts, um, then to show some of the concepts. Then you can also if you want to print handouts, you can also do that. Then next we'll see what are you going to learn in this course. First is the backstage. In this backstage generally means what? When you if generally the performers like dance performance or any other thing, there's a behind the stage, the backstage is where everything is prepared, where the all the basic things are done. So in even in PowerPoint, there's a backstage, that is the file menu, which prepares everything through which you can do n number of things that has been taught to you in the initial chapters. The next is to get started with the basic PowerPoint tools. What are ribbons? What are tabs? What each file, each of the tab includes, and everything will be taught to you. The next is formatting a presentation. How to enter the text, the slide, the design, the font, the color, everything will be in formatting. Then next is adding tables and charts. As I told you, like you can include graphs and charts and tables in your presentation. You can this very easily, which will be taught to you. Then working with shapes and smart art. Shapes and smart art are also very important thing, through which you can draw your own diagrams, create your own designs in presentation, which will be very like the smart arts are very interactive in drawing, making some of the diagrams like a hierarchy, like a cycle or anything else. Then next is printing and sharing. You might think that what will be included in printing and sharing, it is very simple, but no, printing in this includes a n number of things. It will You will be learning very interesting things about printing and sharing your presentations in this PowerPoint 2010. Then you also will be learning some of the keyboard shortcuts, which will be necessary for you, and also it will make your work very easier and faster. Next is animation and transitions in detail. Obviously, you will be learning animations and transitions, which are very important part of PowerPoint, which will make your presentation look very professional and very it will be the audience should be awestruck, so that they will definitely like your presentation after you learn this. Next is some of the advanced features, like giving rolling credits to your presentation. Rolling credits are what you see at the end of a movie where the name, the cast and crews and everything are written. So you will be learning how to give that rolling credits to your presentation. Next is rotating an object. This will be helpful for you in while you are drawing some diagrams. Then creating 3D objects. 3D objects, I'll also show you in the advanced features how to create 3D objects from a simple 2D picture. Then inserting audio and video in your presentation. This is not only just including, but in videos and audios you can also edit it according to you and put it in your presentation. So all these things we are going to learn. Thank you, and we now go further and hear some of the chapters.